Instant funding versus evaluation prop firms. Which one is really worth it? Some traders swear by instant funding because you get funded immediately and can request payouts within a week or two. Others say it's a trap. Strict rules, hidden restrictions, and accounts that blow up fast. On the flip side, multi-phase evaluations take longer to pass, but the rules are clearer, the payouts are bigger, and survivability is way higher. So in this video, I'm breaking down the real trade-off. Fast payouts versus long-term growth. Loose promises versus proven structure. And ultimately, which model actually gives futures traders the best chance to succeed. Let's start with instant funding. With instant funding, traders skip the usual challenge and get access to a live funded account right after paying a fee. There's no need to prove your skills in advance. You start trading real money immediately. But keep in mind, instant funding comes with a greater cost up front, meaning you'll pay more to get started compared to other options. It's fast and direct, but it comes with strict rules and tighter risk limits. You can make money quickly if you're sharp, but just as quickly, a mistake can cost you the account. On the other side is the classic multi-phase evaluation model. Here, traders demonstrate consistency and discipline by starting in a demo environment and clearing several evaluation steps through hitting targets and respecting drawdown rules. Only after passing all phases does a trader qualify for funding. The best part, evaluations are usually much cheaper upfront than instant funding, making them more accessible for many traders. It's a slower process, but it rewards those who show real skill and offers more flexibility and long-term growth potential. This side-by-side sets up today's big question. Is it better to pay more for instant access or build your foundation through a step-by-step evaluation and save on costs before trading real prop firm capital? Let's break down the key trade-offs between instant funding and multi-phase evaluations. When it comes to speed to payout, instant funding is the clear winner. You can get access to profits in just 7 to 14 days. With multi-phase evaluations, the process is much slower, often taking 30 to 60 days or more before your first payout. Looking at rules, instant funding accounts usually have stricter guidelines and sometimes hidden restrictions that can catch traders off guard. In contrast, multi-phase evaluations offer a more transparent and structured rule set that's easier to understand and follow. From a psychological standpoint, instant funding can tempt traders into overtrading or taking unnecessary risks because of the pressure to perform quickly. Multi-phase evaluations, on the other hand, are designed to build discipline by rewarding consistency and patience. If we consider profit split, you'll usually find that instant funding starts with a lower payout percentage, while multi-phase firms offer higher splits after you've proven yourself. Regarding scaling, instant funding tends to be more limited, giving fewer opportunities to grow your account size over time. Multi-phase evaluation models often provide much better scaling options for long-term traders. Finally, survivability is a major factor. Instant funding has high churn, with many traders blowing up accounts quickly due to strict rules and lack of preparation. Multi-phase evaluations have higher survivability because only disciplined, proven traders get funded and are more likely to succeed over time. As you can see, each path offers a different experience and set of trade-offs, so it's important to choose the one that fits your trading style and goals best. Looking for the right prop firm plan? Just head over to rankpropfirms.com and check out the comparison page. With one click, you can filter between sim evaluations, the classic challenge accounts, or go straight to funded with instant funding. Sort by ratings, discounts, account size, or true cost, and instantly see which firms match your trading style. Want speed? Go straight to funded. Want structure? Stick with sim. And when you're ready, hit Get Funded or use the coupon code and start trading today.
Your next step? Head over to rankpropfirms.com. Check out the side-by-side comparison and grab those promo codes before you jump into your next challenge. And if this video saved you some time or money, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.